Hi, my name is Sandra Alarcon. I'm a diabetes educator with Englewood Health. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to apply your CGM FreeStyle Libre 3 Plus. We're going to need alcohol wipes, your sensor FreeStyle Libre 3 Plus, and an adhesive tape. So we're going to prepare your arm. You can use soap and water, or you can use an alcohol wipe. Just make sure to select the arm that you don't slip on. You're going to clean the area and let it air dry. Step 2. Prepare the applicator. Remove the assembled applicator from the box. Keep the box because it includes the unique product number, which is a precaution to save until the product is discarded 15 days later. Unscrew the cap. Do not put the cap back on, as it might damage the sensor. Step 3. Apply and secure your sensor. Place the applicator on the back of your upper arm over the prepared side. Push up firmly until you hear a click sound. Gently press with your fingers around the sensor's edge to secure it. Apply adhesive bandage for added protection. How to remove your sensor. When it's time to remove, pull up the adhesive edge and slowly peel the sensor away in a single motion, like removing a Band-Aid. How to start a new sensor. To start a new sensor, you will need to scan it with your smartphone. From the app home screen, FreeStyle Libre 3 Plus, or from the apps menu, tap Scan New Sensor. Put the top of your phone close to the sensor to scan it. Remove thick phone cases if needed, as it can affect scanning. You will hear a tone and feel a vibration from your phone after it has successfully linked. Now you will see a message, "Sensor ready in X minutes." And that's it. Your new sensor is on and will be ready to use in a few. Tips for use. Be careful when putting clothing on or taking it off. The sensor is small and it's easy to forget that you are wearing it. Sudden movements or pulling can dislodge the sensor, causing it to stop working. Be aware that your CGM might make a beeping sound to indicate that your blood sugar levels are too high or too low. You can turn off the beeping sound from the setting in the app. However, keep in mind that if your sugar is less than 55, you won't be able to override the setting and beep.
How to turn off or change alarms. First, open the menu on the left side of the app. Tap Alarms. Select the alarm you want to change: low glucose alarm, high glucose alarm, signal loss alarm. Turn the alarm off or adjust the override settings if needed. The urgent low glucose alarm cannot be changed. A message at the top will say, "This alarm is on and cannot be modified."
If someone develops a skin reaction or allergy to a sensor adhesive, these are common or practical solutions. Some of the preventive options. You can apply a skin barrier wipe or a spray and let it full dry before placing the sensor. Avoid placing the sensor repeatedly on the same area to give the skin time to heal. Avoid lotions, oils, or soaps with fragrance before application. If irritation occurs, remove the sensor if there is significant redness, itching, blistering, or pain. Use a mild topical treatment, such as soothing fragrance-free moisturizer or long-strand hydrocortisone after sensor removal. Allow a skin recovery time before applying a new sensor. And consult a hair provider if reactions are persistent, severe, or worsening. And that's it. That's how you apply and remove your sensor. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck in the next step of your health journey.